Okay, problem 16. It asks us to find the discriminant. The discriminant, the formula for it is b squared minus 4ac. That number will tell us something. So first we'll find out what number this is, and then we will know how many solutions this equation has and what type of solutions. So what this number is going to tell us is if it is 0, then there's one solution, one real solution. If it is any other number, it means that there are two solutions. If though that other number is a positive number, they are real solutions. And if it is a negative number, then they are imaginary solutions. So that's what the number will tell us. If the discriminant is these things, then the solutions, so this is discriminant, then the solutions are these. So finding it's not so hard are A, this is kind of a trick. It has to be equal to 0 before we can find our A, B, and C. So let's start by taking this 2 to the other side. I will subtract 2, subtract 2. Then this problem is 10a squared plus 7a. Here the 2's canceled out. They may not in the example on the test, but that's okay. We'll keep going with it. The point is it has to be equal to 0 on this side. So we'll find our a, b, and c. A is the number in front of the variable squared. So a equals 10. B is equal to 7. And c in this example is equal to 0. So now using this formula, b squared, b is 7, minus 4 times a, which is 10, times c, which is 0. So 7 squared is 49, minus 4 times 10 is 40, and 40 times 0 is 0. But you would multiply these three numbers here. And then you do the subtraction. Or if another one of these if another one of these numbers here is negative, the negatives would cancel out and you would be adding. So it just depends on how many negatives you have here. So 49 minus 0 is 49. So what does that tell us? It's another number besides 0, so there's going to be two solutions. And then the type of solutions, it is a positive number, so the type is the solutions are real. They're real numbers. So this is our discriminant, and this is what it means for the solutions.